up, beauties, and welcome back. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. And if you have been rocking with me and you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. Today's video is my very first ever clothing haul. And when I say clothing haul, I mean that every piece that I will show you today is all from the same place. Today's haul is from Shein. Shein is an online clothing boutique similar to all the other ones, Shyful, Chic Me, and so on. The list goes on. I always seem to fall victim to one of the online boutiques. The idea of a clothing haul was actually given to me by one of my favorites at TaylorMade Jane. Look her up on Instagram if you are not already following her. She actually gave me some constructive criticism and told me I should do a clothing haul, but her suggestion was a live try-on haul. In my head, I was like, I'll do a video on my YouTube channel showing you a try-on haul. And that's what I'm doing today for the first time. So you will see my authentic reaction. I am going to begin with this top, but this is the top. Top was actually something that caught my eye. Actually, what caught my eye were the colors, and y'all already know which color. If you tuned in to my last video, you know the color that caught my eye in this shirt. It is the yellow. Fitted, but it's very, very stretchy. I didn't order the shirt to go with the skirt that I am wearing. This is the only two-piece of all the dresses, but I put this shirt with the skirt because what came with it, my breasts won't allow. I actually ordered a two-piece set, which was this bralette and this pencil skirt. I fell in love with it when I saw it, and I don't know what made me think that I would be able to get these 38 double D's in this, but I still wanted it. I tried it, it didn't work. So I said, well, for the sake of the video, I'll put the shirt on with the skirt, and I think I'll actually wear it this way because once again, just like I told you in the last video, every item you see me try on today, you will see pictures at some point when I actually wear it to an event. I love the way the skirt fits. It's very stretchy, and it's a maxi pencil skirt. It's fitting, it's showing off all the curves. I want to let you know that I am wearing foundation underneath, and when I say foundation, I'm referring to a body shaper. Make sure you tune in to my other video. I go a little bit more in depth talking about the body shapers. So whenever you see me wearing any type of dress, just know I do have a shaper on underneath, because what the shaper does is it smooths everything out. And because this skirt is so fitted, it has everything just smooth, and you don't see any ripples and dimples going all up and down the skirt. You just see a nice smooth silhouette. Make sure you check the description box because I will put the link to my other video underneath. This dress is really, really cute. Let me step back so you can see. Y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. Anyway, check out this Midi dress. I absolutely love it. Very, very stretchy. This dress is a size large. A large is a size 8. The color is coming across really well on camera, but it is really, really pretty. It's a neon yellow. The midi falls below the knee, and you can still see some of the legs. This midi dress is popping. Let's stop right now and make sure you actually become a part of the squad. Click that subscribe button, and don't forget about your notification bell. That's right next to it, because I know you don't want to miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you. What I need you to do is let me know exactly what you want to see from me, whether it's hair, makeup, or fashion. Just let me know, leave me a comment down below. Check it out. I love this one, y'all. This one is really cute. I have to admit, it was a bit of a struggle getting it on, coming over the head, because this neck part is kind of tight and I didn't want to rub off my makeup. So it was a bit of a struggle, but once I got it on, I was able to just pull it down, and y'all, it fits like a glove. You can dress it up or you can dress it down with sandals. This dress is also a large. Everything is fitting in all the right places, and that's what you want. In dresses like this that's fitting your body, you want to make sure everything is smooth. You want to make sure you don't see any panty lines in the back, because that's not cute, but this dress is. Okay, y'all, this next piece is this sheer cover that I have on over the dress. It's long, it's almost to the ankle. It's really, really cute. This too is a size large. I'm not sure how I want to wear it yet, but I do like it. Now, one thing about it that really made me mad, it is missing a button. I don't remember the cost of it. I know it wasn't over $20, so now it's going to cost me a little bit more if I decide to wear it where I want to button it all the way down. But if I choose not to, like I said, I don't know how I want to wear it yet, but it's me being the fashion enthusiast that I am. I kind of had thought about I could bring it up and tie it, even though it's a little long. Remember, your style is however you want to do something, and I could wear it like this. It's actually kind of cute. All right, last item, this cute little camouflage dress. Now with this, they were sold out of all the larges. So in my head, I'm thinking, well, I'll do an extra large. It can't be that bad. It's just a little loose. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it kind of sticks out here. I want this to fit like this. And I know if I had the large, even here, a little loose, I know the large would be perfect around here. The way this dress is made, it's very important that every piece, especially because it's fitted, that every part of the dress fitting right, because that's what bring it out and that's what make it look good. This part here is what attracted my eyes to this dress. And I do love camouflage. Let me step back so you can see the whole dress. It has a little gap here because, again, the extra large is just, when it comes to this, it's not too big. That's not what I'm saying. It's just not fitting like the last dress and the dress before that. That's an easy fix. This whole thing is an easy fix. This right here is bothering me, so I will definitely have to get this tightened to where it can fit like how it's supposed to fit. But overall, it is a 10. Yeah. Again, you could dress it up or down. I already know how I want to wear it. I can already see it in my head. It's really cute. Really cute. I want to thank you for tuning in to my very first clothing haul featuring Shein. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to click your bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you leave me a comment down below to let me know how you liked this clothing haul, and if you want to see more in the future or whatever else you like to see, just make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you're following me on all of my networks. I won't go through each one. Just check the description box down below. It'll show you each one for us to stay connected. Last but not least, make sure you share it, because sharing means caring. So I will catch each of you in the next video.